Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Aura to protect your personal data, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the Aura website. Once the website loads, look for the Get Started button prominently displayed on the homepage. Click on this button to begin the registration process. You will be prompted to enter your email address. Type in your preferred email and make sure it is valid for future communications. Next, create a strong password that meets the security guidelines provided. Confirm your password by typing it again in the designated field. After this, you will see a section asking for your personal information. Fill in your first name and last name accurately. Then, provide your phone number for account verification purposes. Following this, choose your subscription plan. Take your time to read through each plan's features and benefits. Select the plan that best meets your needs by clicking on the corresponding option. After selecting a plan, you will be directed to enter your payment information. Fill in your credit or debit card details as requested. Ensure all information is correct to avoid any payment issues. Once your payment details are entered, review the terms of service and privacy policy. Check the box to agree to these terms before proceeding. Finally, click on the Complete Registration button to finalize your account setup. You may receive a confirmation email shortly after registering. Follow the instructions in the email to verify your account. Once verified, log into your Aura account using your registered email and password. Take a moment to explore the dashboard and familiarize yourself with the available features. Set up any additional security settings as recommended by Aura for optimal protection. Congratulations, you are now registered with Aura to protect your personal data. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.